Hola, bienvenida a mi clase. Hello, welcome to my class. Yo soy Shivani. I'm Shivani. Estoy aquí para enseñarte español. I'm here to teach you guys Spanish. Hello, guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel that is Languages for All, in which you guys learn Spanish through English. And today's topic of our video tutorial is time. It means in today's video tutorial we are going to talk about how can we tell someone about what time is going on in Spanish. I hope guys you are really curious to learn all the information related to time in Spanish. First of all, in this video I'm gonna teach you some important points related to time. Then I'm gonna teach you counting because I want you guys to be familiar with counting before knowing about time. Then I'm gonna teach you how can we say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6:30, 2:30, quarter to 3, quarter to 2, quarter past 3, etc. in Spanish. So, without wasting our time, let's start today's class. First of all, what we call time in Spanish? Time is called as tiempo in Spanish. Time is called as tiempo. Time means tiempo in Spanish, and our first point of today's video is a qué hora. A qué hora means what time in Spanish. To ask what time something is going to happen, we use a qué hora. For example, if you want to say what time are you going to library, we use que hora. Que hora vas a la biblioteca. It means what time are you going to the library. A que hora means what time in Spanish. Vas a la means are you going to. La biblioteca means the library. So, if we want to say what time are you going to school, we just write escuela instead of biblioteca. Escuela means school. So, if we want to say what time are you going to school, we simply say a que hora vas a la escuela. Just like if we want to ask someone what time are you going to office, we simply say a que hora vas a la oficina. Just like if we want to ask someone what time are you going to supermarket, here we write supermarkedo. So if we want to ask someone what time exactly, what time someone is going to happen exactly, we simply ask a question, a que hora vas a la biblioteca? What time are you going to library? And you can answer this simple question by using a las plus an hour. For example, voy a la biblioteca a las 11. It means I am going to the library at 11. Voy a la biblioteca means I am going to the library. A las 11 means at 11. You can see here I can answer this question by using a las plus an hour. So if we want to ask anyone in time, we use a las before the time. A las before the time. Here, a las means at, 11 means 11. So, voy a la biblioteca a las 11 means I am going to the library at 11. I hope you guys really understand my 2 points. Now I'm gonna teach you some counting because you guys really familiar with counting before to ask someone about time. So let's start. First of all, what we call uno in Spanish. Uno means 1. 1 means uno in Spanish. 2 means dos in Spanish. 1 means uno. 2 means dos. 3 means tres. 3 means tres. 4 means cuatro. 4 means cuatro. 5 means cinco. 6 means seis. 6 means seis. 7 means siete. 7 means siete. 8 means ocho. 9 means nueve. 10 means diez. 10 means diez. 11 means once. 12 means doce. 13 means trece. 14 means catorce. 14 means catorce. 15 means quince. 16 means dieciséis. So, 1 means uno, 2 means dos, 3 means tres, 4 means cuatro, 5 means cinco, 6 means seis, 7 means siete, 8 means ocho, 9 means nueve, 10 means diez, 11 means once, 12 means doce, 13 means trece, 14 means catorce, 15 means quince, 16 means dieciséis. Guys, now I am going to tell you how dieciséis becomes. Dieciséis becomes dieciséis. 16 means dieciséis in Spanish. Guys, 16 is made by 10 plus 6, just like diez is made by diez y seis. Diez means 10 and seis means 6. So, diez plus 6, diez y seis becomes dieciséis. So, 16 becomes dieciséis, diez y seis. Just like 16, 17, 18, 19 and so on, counting is made. For example, here 17 means diecisiete, where diecisiete means 10 plus 17. Deci means 10 and siete means 7. So, 17 means diecisiete, 18 means dieciocho, 19 means diecinueve and 20 means veinte. 20 means veinte. Just like 16, 17, 18, 19, 21 to 29 is also made. For example, 20 means veinte or veinte uno means 21. Where veinte means 20, uno means 1. So, 21 is made by veinte uno, where veinte means 20 and uno means 1. So, veinte uno means 21, veinte dos means 22, veinte tres means 23, veinte cuatro means 24, veinte cinco means 25, veinte seis means 26, veinte siete means 27, veinte ocho means 28, veinte nueve means 29, treinta means 30, treinta means 30, cuarenta means 40, cincuenta means 50, sesenta means 60. So guys, that's all. You can know only this counting. So guys, that's amount of counting is enough to know about timing. So I hope you really understand counting. Now our next point is ¿qué horas? If we want to ask someone what time is it and what time is going on, we simply say ¿qué horas? ¿Qué horas means what time is it in Spanish. So if you want to ask what time is it in Spanish, we simply say ¿qué hora es? And you can answer this question by es la una or son las dos, where es la una means it's 1 o'clock in Spanish and son las dos means it's 2 o'clock in Spanish. Guys, you can see the difference between es la una, son las dos. It is just because una is a singular and dos is plural. Because una means 1 and dos means 2. Or 1 is a singular word and dos is 2 is a plural. So with singular we use es la, with plural we use son las. And you guys already know, before telling someone about timing, we always put las before the time. So es la una means it is 1 o'clock and son las dos means it's 2 o'clock. Similar with this. If we want to say it is 3 o'clock, we simply say son las tres. If we want to say it's 4 o'clock, we simply say son las cuatro. Similarly with another clocks. At 5 o'clock we say son las cinco. 6 o'clock we say son las seis. With 7 o'clock we say son las siete. With 8 o'clock we say son las ocho. If we want to say it's 9 o'clock, we simply say son las nueve in Spanish. So if we want to say it's 10 o'clock, we simply say son las diez. Son las diez means it's 10 o'clock in Spanish. Son las once means it's 11 o'clock in Spanish. And son las doce means it's 12 o'clock in Spanish. Now I'm going to teach you half past. Half past, 2, 3, 4, etc. Guys, in English, if we want to say it's 2:15, we simply say it's quarter past 2. Where quarter past 2 means it's 15 minutes left. It's 15 minutes past from 2. Quarter past 2 means 15 minutes past from 2. If we want to say it's 2:15, we simply say it's quarter past 2 in English. Simply just like it's quarter past 2 in English, we simply say it's dos y cuatro in Spanish. Where cuatro means quarter in Spanish. So we use cuarto word. We use cuarto. Cuarto as a quarter. Where quarter means 15 minutes in English. Just like quarter in Spanish we use cuarto. Cuarto means 15 minutes in Spanish. Guys, don't get confused between cuatro or cuarto. Cuatro means 4 and cuarto means 15 minutes. So cuarto means, cuarto is a word in Spanish which is used for quarter, which normally means 15 minutes of an hour. So quarter means 15 minutes of an hour, and cuarto means quarter in Spanish. So in English we simply say it's 2:15. If we want to say it's 2:15 in English, we simply say it is quarter past 2. It means it's 15 minutes past from 2. And in Spanish we simply say son las 2:15. Son las 2:15 means it's quarter past 2 or it's 2:15 in Spanish. Where 2 means dos in Spanish and 2 means dos in Spanish and cuarto means 15 in Spanish. If we want to say it's quarter past 2, we simply say son las 2:15. 2:15 in Spanish. Just like 2:04, we also say, if we want to say it's 2:05 in Spanish, we simply say son las 2:05. If we want to say it's 2:10 in Spanish, we simply say 2:10. For 2:15, we simply say 2:15. For 2:20, we simply say 2:20. 2:25, we simply say 2:25. For 2:30, we say 2:30. Here 2:30 means half past 2. It means 2:30 is, which simply means the time is half past. The time is going to be half past. Means time is passed by half. It means it's 2:30. So in Spanish we say 2:30 as 2:30, which means half past 2. Where media means half or 30 in Spanish. Media means half or 30 in Spanish. Where media means half or 30 in Spanish, or it is half past 2, we simply say it's son las 2:30. Where 2 means dos and 30 means media. So 2:30 means 2:30 in Spanish. Just like quarter past 2, cuarto, 2:15, we also say quarter to 2. If we want to say it's 1:45 in Spanish, in English for 1:45 we simply say it's quarter to 2. It means is 15 minutes left to 2. If we want to say the time is 1:45 in English, we say quarter to 2, which means it's 15 minutes left to 2. In Spanish we would say it's 2 minus a quarter. It's 2 minus a quarter, which simply means dos menos a cuarto. Dos menos cuarto. Dos menos cuarto means is 2 minus a quarter. So if we want to say the time is it's quarter to 2, we simply say son las 2 menos cuarto, which means it's 1:45 or it's 15 minutes left to 2. So guys, you all already understand. If we want to say the time is it is quarter to 2, we simply say son las 2 menos cuarto in Spanish. And for 1:35, 1:40, 1:50 and 1:55, we simply say 2 menos 25, which simply means where 25 means 25, 20 means 20, 10 means 10 and 5 means 5 in Spanish. So 2 menos 25 means is 25 minutes left from 2 or 1:35 in Spanish. If we want to say the time is 2 menos 25, we simply say son las 2 menos 25. It means 1:35. For 1:40, we simply say 2 menos 20. It means is 20 minutes left to 2. For 1:50, we simply say 2 menos 10. It means 10 minutes left to 2. Or for 1:55, we simply say is 2 menos 5, which means 5 minutes left to 2. Here is a diagram of a watch which you can understand easily the time in Spanish. So, if we want to say the time is 1:05, we simply say 1:05. If we want to say the time is 2:10, we simply say 2:10. If we want to say the time is 3:15, we say 3:15. If we want to say the time is 4:20, it is 4:20. If we want to say the time is 5:25, we simply say 5:25. If we want to say time is 6:30, we simply say 6:30 or 6:30. If we want to say the time is 7:35, we simply say 8 menos 25. If we want to say the time is 8:40, we simply say nieve menos 20. If we want to say the time is 10 menos, and the time is 9:45, we simply say 10 menos cuarto. If we want to say the time is 10:50, we simply say 11 menos 10. And if we want to say the time is 11:55, we simply say 12 menos 10. If we want to say, here guys, I want to write 5. 12 menos 5. 12 menos 5 means is 5 minutes left to 12 or 11:55 in Spanish. If we want to say the time is 12 o'clock, we simply say son las 12. Here is a watch. In that side, we always add time, or in that time, we always minus time. So, and 6:30 means 6:30. So, si es media or 12 o'clock means son las 12. I hope guys you really understand time in Spanish. So, if you really learn something from my video, please like, share and subscribe to Languages for All channels. Until then, adios and gracias por mirar. Bye and thank you for watching.